Okay, so we were able to make a Java program. We're able to do that in 2 different IDEs. And now we need to explain what happened. So you did see it work, and I kind of explained it a little bit, but let's go into a little more detail. Um, First off, what was happening within that parameter pass, that system.out.println? What was happening? Well, println and print require a string input, and the way we notate strings is we put them between 2 quotation marks. A string is any string of any characters that are between 2 quotation marks. The definition of strings is it's a string of characters between 2 quotation marks. Now I'm saying that multiple times because I want y'all to understand that if I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's a numerical value, or even the number 1 between 2 quotation marks, the system reads it as a string. When I put that string inside those parentheses, it acts as the string parameter for the print method or the println method. The actual value, the string literal, is the argument that's passed into that parameter list. The method is print or println, and it requires that information, that string literal, to perform its task. The system class itself is the standard output device for a system or input device. We could say system.in as well. System.out creates an out object, and the print and println are a method of that object. And it looks like this. System is a class. Out is a property of the system class. We have dots between system and out and print. Println is a method. Method names are always followed by parentheses. As you can see here, the parentheses define a parameter list. This particular parameter list requires a string literal, and we passed in the literal first. Java application. Every Java statement ends with a semicolon. This is the anatomy of a Java statement. What you must remember right now is remember system.out.print or system.out.println, and remember that a semicolon follows a statement, and that print and println both require a string literal. Now, you can also pass in. Strings act as open-ended boxes. So if I pass in another value, it can auto box it into a string. So if I said system.out.print 1, it's going to convert that to a string when it outputs it to the screen, right? Okay. We will stop this recording here.